guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support in this Catholic lesson, and thank you so much. Without wasting our time, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment about this tutorial. And if you haven't watched the previous tutorials, just watch them. They are very helpful, so watch them and let's get into our tutorial. So without wasting our time, our tutorial is this song called Ini Karamu. Ini Karamu, Ini Karamu ya mwili wa roho, da 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 na na damu ya na da da da. I know you know the song, so we are going to start with our melody. Our melody is like this. We are starting here. So you start like that. That is the first part. Ni karamu, ni karamu. Then ya mwili, ya mwili. Let me teach you slowly so that you can be able to understand. So we are going like this. The next. Then we go up. Na 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 da da. So. Then the last part. Da 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 da. So let's play the whole part. So it's like this. You have seen what I have played, so let me repeat the last time. So we go like this. To play our chords, our chords we are going to play like this. So we start like this. The first part we are going to start with G, like that. And remember, I have transposed my piano to -4, so we are playing on the key of D sharp, yeah. So this is our D sharp. So we are going Ini Karamu, the first part. Let me play with this figure so that you can see. Then the next part. Ya mwili wa roho. Then da da da. The last part is complicated, so you are going to play like this. So like this. Da 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 da. Let's now start from the beginnings. Ni Karamu. Start with our melody, then our chord. Combine with our right hand. Very simple. You are going to hold here. When holding this side, you can hold like this. Combine your drum and we are going to play and you are going to practice, and let's start playing with our drums, and then we shall meet on the next song, on the next tutorial. Let's find our tempo first. We find the tempo singing the song with our metronome and our tempo tap. Those two things are very helpful in finding the tempo. So you are going ni karamu ya mwili wa Roho. Da, 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 da. So when you play the metronome, you can sing with the metronome. Hey. So let's sing. Play a melody. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment to this channel. My name is always Fred Moa. Let's meet on the next tutorial. Bye bye.